welcome to this tutorial on how to take remote control of macOS devices with Scalefusion UEM. To remotely cast and control a Mac device from Scalefusion, the first step is to install the Remote Cast app on the device. For this, go to Application Management and look for Remote Support on the Scalefusion apps. Click on Publish and select the device profiles where you want to publish the app. Once done, finally click on Publish. Now, go to Remote Support and click on Remote Cast and Control. Here, you will see all the devices for which you can take remote control. Click Start Session next to the desired device to initiate remote session. You can now view and control the device remotely. You can also refresh, reboot, restart, or unlock the device from here. You can capture a screenshot or start recording the session as well. Thank you for watching and subscribe to Scalefusion's YouTube channel for more such videos.